It's 2025. Technology has advanced like never before, but with every step forward, the dangers facing our kids online have grown even more serious. From cyberbullying to online predators, risky trends, and harmful apps, protecting our children has never been this challenging. If you've ever worried about your child's safety in this ever-changing digital world, you're not alone. As a parent myself, I've faced the same fears. That's why today, I'll be reviewing mSpy, the ultimate parental control app that can give you peace of mind in 2025. I'll share my personal story, show you how mSpy works, and explain why this tool is more important than ever for families. Stick around, because I've also got a special discount for you at the end of this video, available through the link in the description. Let's dive in. The year 2025 has brought incredible technological advancements, but along with them, new challenges for parents. Kids are spending more time than ever on their devices, whether it's for school, gaming, or social media. But with this increased screen time comes increased risks. Take social media, for example. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat are introducing AI-powered features that can sometimes expose kids to inappropriate or dangerous content. Then there's the rise of fake online personas, AI-generated profiles designed to trick kids into sharing personal information. These threats are evolving faster than ever, and as parents, we need tools that can keep up. That's why mSpy is so essential in 2025. It's not just a monitoring app. It's a digital shield that helps you stay ahead of these dangers. And trust me, as a parent who's seen the benefits firsthand, I can't recommend it enough. Let me share something personal with you. Earlier this year, my son, who's only 14, started acting withdrawn. He'd spend hours locked in his room, scrolling on his phone, and when I asked him about it, he'd brush me off. As a parent, I felt helpless. Was he being bullied? Was he in danger? I didn't know how to help. That's when I found mSpy. I installed it on his phone, and within minutes, I discovered that he was being pressured into joining a dangerous online challenge. It was a challenge that could have led to serious harm if I hadn't intervened. Thanks to mSpy, I was able to step in, have an open and honest conversation with him, and guide him through this situation. In 2025, when the internet is filled with new risks every day, tools like mSpy are lifesavers for parents like you and me. So what makes mSpy the go-to solution for parents in 2025? Let's break it down feature by feature. GPS tracking. Know where your child is at all times. Set up geofencing alerts so you're notified if they leave a safe zone. Social media monitoring. See their chats, shared photos, and friend lists on apps like Snapchat, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Protect them from online predators and inappropriate content. Call and text monitoring. Monitor their calls and texts, even the ones they delete. Stay ahead of potential dangers before they escalate. Screen time and app blocking. Set limits on their phone usage and block harmful apps or websites with a few clicks. Keylogger. This feature records every keystroke, helping you uncover hidden conversations, passwords, or secret accounts. mSpy isn't just an app. It's your partner in parenting, helping you ensure your child's safety in ways you simply can't on your own. Now that you've seen what mSpy can do, let me show you how easy it is to get started in 2025. Head to the link in the description below to choose a plan that works for your family. By using my link, you'll also get an exclusive discount. Once you've subscribed, mSpy will send you detailed instructions. The setup process is simple and takes less than 10 minutes. Log into your mSpy dashboard from your phone or computer, and you'll have instant access to your child's activity in real time. Don't forget, using the link in my description supports this channel and ensures you get the best deal available in 2025. In 2025, the digital world is moving faster than ever, and it's our job as parents to keep up. mSpy isn't about spying on your kids, it's about protecting them, guiding them, and being there when they need us most. Don't wait for something bad to happen. Take action today. Your child's safety is priceless, and mSpy is the tool you need to protect what matters most in 2025. Click the link now and start making a difference.